pirate hat craft. So our first step is we are going to glue our hats to our bandana. So let's start gluing. So we're going to go on the back of my hat and go right here. Right in the middle. And then I get to pick one fun sticker. So I think I'm going to go with the one crossbones. So my hat is now ready, but you can't be a pirate without an eye patch. So we're going to take our green eye patch. We're going to take some ribbon, and before we start even putting the ribbon through, we're going to put our last sticker on here. Okay. Now, with our one ribbon end, we're going to put it through this hole and around, in, and then we're just going to tie the ends. While this has been drying, we're going to try to flip it and get it ready for our head. So we're going to put it right here. We're going to seal both ends. And now we have a pirate hat and an eye patch. Arg!